Hi everyone, this is Sinyoung from Lémore Beauty. Welcome to our lifting and sculpting Gua Sha Facial Massage with a different Gua Sha tool, with a combed or grooved edge, with a different Gua Sha technique. This facial massage routine is perfect for those of you who have been doing the typical Gua Sha facial massage technique for a while and you want to explore a slightly different technique. Let's begin. On clean skin, we're going to apply a facial oil to provide a nice smooth glide for our skin. You're welcome to use a facial serum or facial moisturizer and see what works best for you. For me, I found best results using a facial oil. I'm going to spray my skin with purified water, like so, and 4 drops of organic rosehip oil here. Mix it between my hands, warming it up, and gently apply all over. In a pressing motion here, the neck, the chest as well, we'll be working these areas. The rest on your hands and your nails as well. With a clean Gua Sha tool, we're going to begin from our chest area. The technique is a little different in that instead of holding the tool at parallel to about 45-degree angle, we're going to hold it more perpendicular, 90-degree angle to our skin to provide nice acupressure benefits for our skin with the combed grooved edge. So we'll do 2 swipes here. Sweep up and out like this. One more. Other side. Sweep up and out like so. Now we're going to work our neck area here. So starting from all the way down here on our shoulders, we're going to come up at 90-degree angle and wiggle at the edge here. One more like this. Wiggling at the edge. Release. Now we're going to work the sides of our neck here like this, perpendicular to our skin. Sweep up and wiggle at the edge. About light to medium pressure here. And working this side here like this. Wiggle at the edge. One more. Wiggle at the edge. Release. We'll do the other side. All the way down here and come up, wiggle at the edge, one more, 90-degree angle and wiggle at the edge, working the sides here, wiggle at the edge, one more, coming up here, this, wiggle at the edge, so, wiggle at the edge. For under our chin here, we'll do 3 swipes. So holding the tool like this here, we're going to go down like this, sweeping up and out, wiggle at the edge. Second swipe, wiggle at the edge. And third, like so, wiggle at the edge. Perfect for really addressing the double chin here and the jawline. And like so, we're going to hold it like this. Sweep up and out, wiggle at the edge. Second swipe. And your third. Wiggle at the edge here. Release. And from the center of our lips here, we're going to place the tool like this and sweep up and out like this, wiggle at the edge. One more, like so, wiggle at the edge. We're going to switch, like so, wiggle at the edge. One more, wiggle at the edge here. Now we're going to release our masseter muscles here. So using that combed, grooved edge, we're going to just gently go up and down or side to side like this to release the tension we carry here. There's a lot of bunching in this area from all the talking, the chewing, and perhaps from grinding, whether you're aware of it or not. So just releasing it here. We'll switch, like so. And it feels really good here when you do this for yourself. Up and down, side to side. Now we're going to address our marionette lines, nasolabial folds, and the cheeks here. Like this, we're going to place the tool like this and sweep up and out, wiggle at the edge. One more here. Wiggle at the edge. Switch. Like so. Wiggle at the edge. One more. Sweep up and out, wiggle at the edge. Release. We're going to work the side of our nose here, so with that combed edge, providing some acupressure benefit for our nose. And we're going to sweep up and out, wiggle at the edge, working on our upper cheek here. One more, like this. Sweep up and out, wiggle at the edge. We'll do the other side, from the side of our nose, like this. Sweep up and out, wiggle at the edge. One more here. Now we're going to use this combed edge here for releasing any congestion on our nose area, like this. Switch, like so. Now we're going to work on our eye area here. We're going to hold the tool like this, and using really light pressure here, you want to be gentle with your eyes, like this. We're going to sweep up and out, wiggle on our temples here. For our temples, you can apply a little bit more pressure if you would like. One more. This. Breathing here. Now we're going to work our upper eye area here, like this. Sweeping out any puffiness in these areas. One more here, like this. Now we'll do the other side here. Holding the tool like this, we're going to place it like so. Sweep up and out. Wiggle at the edge, like so. One more. This. Wiggle at the edge. Now we'll do the upper eye here, like so. Sweep up and out, wiggle on our temples here, a little bit higher than the previous. One more. Like this, wiggle at the edge. Now we're going to work up from our eye and our forehead area here. So gently close your eyes with your hands like this, and we're going to sweep like so. One more here. And we're just working, continuing. This. And the side here. Wiggle at the edge. Wiggle at the edge here. Release. We'll do the other side. Like so. Wiggle at the edge. One more. Continuing here. This. Breathing and continuing. And for the center of our forehead here, we'll do 3 swipes like this. 1, 2, 3. And to address the frown lines here, we're going to hold the tool like this and sweep like so outwards, diagonally, twice. Switch. 1, 2. For your tool, you can wash it with warm water and soap for your next Gua Sha facial massage. We're going to gently press our skin to lock in all the goodness here. So gently press like this all over xoxo, your neck, pressing your shoulders, your chest, all the way. Like so. And roll your shoulders back and down a few times here, releasing any remaining tension that you're carrying. We're going to take deep healing breaths together. Place one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly. Gently close your eyes. And we're going to inhale deeply from our belly. Hold at the top. Exhale, sigh it out. One more, your longest and deepest. Hold at the top. Exhale, let it all go. Gently open your eyes. Doing this massage once a day will give you best, longer lasting results. You will notice even more noticeable results when you combine this daily facial massage with a holistic lifestyle. For example, drink more water, get enough sleep, eat more veggies, exercise, bring awareness to your facial and body posture throughout the day. As always, have patience and compassion for yourself along this healing journey. It's all about celebrating the small steps. Thank you for watching and doing this with me. Namaste.